Have you ever seen photos slowly zooming and moving in documentaries or professional videos? It creates a cinematic effect that looks just like a movie. And the best part, you can create it in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes without any plugins and without any complicated editing software. Hello everyone. If you enjoy learning amazing PowerPoint animation effects, presentation design tips and creative tricks, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to transform an ordinary photos into professional zooming photo that instantly gives your presentation a premium and cinematic look. First, open PowerPoint and insert any photo of your choice. Keep in mind that the better the quality of the photo, the more impressive the zoom effect will look. But here is an important question. Does simply inserting a photo make it looks professional? Absolutely not. The secret behind that professional look lies in animation. Now, go to the animation tab, click add animation and choose the grow and shrink animation. As soon as you apply it, your photo will start zooming. However, the effect may feel a little fast and artificial at first. So, let's make it smoother and more cinematic. Click on effect option. If you want a subtle and natural zoom, set the custom size to around 115%. Then adjust smooth start and smooth end to somewhere around the middle so that both the beginning and ending of the animation feel soft and professional. Now, if you want the photo to zoom in and then zoom back out, enable auto reverse. After that, go to timing, set start to with previous and set the duration to around 20 seconds. Your photo will now slowly zoom in and then gently returns to its original position. This effect works especially well for looping slides, digital signage and background display. If you want the photo not only to zoom but also to slowly move towards a specific area, click add animation once again. This time choose motion path, then line. Drag the red endpoint to the position where you want the photo to move. Then set start to with previous again and keep the motion path duration at 20 seconds as well. Now both the zoom and movement will happen together, giving your photos a documentary style Ken Burns effect. Now start the slideshow and see how your simple photo has transformed into a cinematic moving photo. A small animation like this can give your entire presentation a premium, professional and modern look. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Let me know in the comments which PowerPoint animation effect you would like to learn next and share this video with your friends who are learning PowerPoint. See you in next creative PowerPoint tricks.